Look there. A colorful butterfly is sitting on a flower.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Wisdom Bag. Today, I'm in the park. Let's look at some beautiful flowers and learn English together. Look at this jasmine. It is white and it smells so sweet. These are red roses. They're so beautiful. This is an orchid. I love its purple color.
This sunflower is huge. It is turning toward the sun.
There are white water lilies here. They float on the water. This lotus flower is huge. The soft pink color is so beautiful.
These are tulips. They look very neat and colorful. Look at these blue hydrangeas. They look like small balls.
This is a red hibiscus. It is blooming beautifully in the morning sunlight.
Look there. A colorful butterfly is sitting on a flower.
And the last one is a dahlia. Its shape is so perfect. I am very happy today. This garden is quiet and peaceful. I love all these flowers. Which flower do you like? Please comment below.
I hope you enjoyed my vlog and fun English lesson. Please subscribe to Wisdom Bag for more. See you!